Hello all, I'm your English teacher Christy Grace. In this class, we are going to see our lesson 4, Achiku. Come, let's see. It was late December morning. Few people were making their way to the Shibuya train station through the icy wind. I was helping my grandmother to set up the newspaper stall for the day. As I was laying out colorful magazines on a stand outside the stall, a golden brown animal whizzed past me. Here, it was a late December morning, so they are telling the month, right? It was the late December morning. In December month, we feel so cold, right? Yes. Few people were making their ways to the Shibuya train station. So, few people were going towards Shibuya train station through the icy wind. Through the icy wind, because of the climate, we feel so icy in the wind, isn't it? I was helping my grandmother set up the newspaper store for the day. So the author is telling I was helping to the grandmother to set up newspaper stall for the day. So in train station we can see many stalls over there, isn't it? Especially we can see the newspaper stall because most of the people they used to buy newspaper to read it on their journey. Yes, as I was laying out colorful magazines on the stand outside the stall, a golden brown animal whizzed past me. So, how we are going to identify if it is the newspaper stall? Yes, easily we can identify that outside of the stall we can see some magazines over there, isn't it? Through the strand or through the rope they would have displayed all the magazines, right? So easily we can identify that is the newspaper stall. The same way here also they are arranging the colorful magazine on the strand outside the stall. So outside of the stall they are using a strand and putting their colorful magazines. It's a wolf. I screamed and dashed behind the magazine stand. So suddenly, when the golden brown animal, so the golden brown animal whizzed past me. What is the meaning of whizzed? Moved very quickly. So the golden brown animal moved very quickly past me, right? It's a wolf. I screamed. So they thought it was the wolf. So I screamed and dashed behind the magazine stand because we feel so scary, isn't it? No, Ray-chan, he's just an Akita puppy, said Dr. Ryuno, rushing down the pavement to call me. So, no, Ray-chan. What is the meaning of Ray-chan? See the meaning of chan. Chan is a Japanese word of affection used after children's names, right? So, no, Ray-chan. He's just an Akita puppy. What is Akita puppy? Already I have showed you, right? Akita is a breed of a dog originally found in Japan, right? This Akita dog is found in Japan, said Dr. Ryuno, rushing down the pavement to call me. So Dr. Ryuno was rushing to call me, isn't it? Now, konnichiwa. Dr. Ryuno greeted my grandmother as she stepped out of the newspaper stall and reached out to hold my hand comfortingly. Here, konnichiwa. What is the meaning of konnichiwa? It's a Japanese greeting. So, konnichiwa, Dr. Ryuno greeted my grandmother. Now, grandmother is greeting Dr. Ryuno konnichiwa. It is a Japanese greeting word. So, as she was greeting Dr. Runo, she stepped out of the newspaper stall. So, grandmother was inside of the stall. Now, she is coming out of the stall and reached out to hold my hands respectingly, right? How are you, Mrs. Deshuk? Dr. Ryuno said, bowing respectfully. Now, Dr. Ryuno is asking, how are you, Mrs. Deshuk? So, who is a Deshuk here? Yes, the grandmother. Raychan, I hope you had a good holiday in your village, he said, turning to me. I nodded, still crouching. So, Dr. Ryuno was giving respect to the grandmother and also simultaneously asking, Raychan, I hope you had a good holidays in your village. So he said to me, telling to the author, right? I nodded, still crouching. So the author also shaking their head and still crouching. What is crouching? Crouching means bending on its knees and putting one's body close to the ground, which means it shows the respect, right? I'm sorry, Hachiko scared you. Come, meet him. Dr. Runo smiled encouragingly. So now Dr. Runo is asking sorry for Hachiko. Now I hope you can find out who is Hachiko. Hachiko is a dog name, right? Now come meet him. Now Dr. Yuno was a professor at Tokyo Imperial University. He often bought magazines from us. So now Dr. Runo was a professor at Tokyo Imperial University, right? And my grandmother had known him for years. Now, grandmother and Dr. Runo were very much familiar with each other for years. I realized he had got himself a pet dog when I was away on my school holidays to visit my parents. Good morning, Dr. Yuno, I said. As I walked up to him slowly, I bent forward and carefully extended my fist to Hachiko in friendship. Here, now the author is telling, I bent forward and carefully extended my fist. So now, when we see the dog, we always used to move forward and but with full of consciousness we used to deal with the dogs, right, to show her hands, to get a shake hands from them, isn't it? So in the same way, the author also bent forward carefully and extend the fist to Hachiko in friendship. Now he licked it quickly and wagged his tail back and forth till his whole body shook. Now immediately Hachiko the dog licked and wagged his tail. So once the dog loves you, the dog used to lick your face, lick your body, and wag his tail. It will be very comfortable to play with you, isn't it? And we loved to see him so happy. So it was so happy to see the dog was playing with the author, right? It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed in this lesson. Please go through this video. Let's continue this lesson on our next class. Thank you, students. Bye, love you.